All right, here is a quick video on the Q Erector. This is a super insane lightweight aluminum and stainless. This baffle here is stainless can that is fully modular. Each one of these is its own baffle stack. So if you keep this one, you can just kind of basically stop here or keep going all the way to full length. I'm just going to show you how to take it apart and what it all looks like. They give you these kind of ingenious little tools here. On each end is the tool for the end cap. So you just gotta stick it in there, break the end cap loose. Once the end cap is loose, you can start taking baffles off. So there's that, and then each one is basically just another baffle. So there's your baffle, and that basically repeats all the way down until this one. So these are all the same. I'm not gonna take them all apart. You'll see what they see. And then you have a stainless steel one blast chamber here, or baffle, and this one is has a PVD finish on it. And then the bottom baffle is your mount. It has your threading in it, and it goes from there. So pretty simple, but when you actually go to assemble these, or if they've shot them, they're gonna be a little bit harder. These pegs in the tool lock into the each baffle, and then you would typically just mount this in a vise. You can do it by hand, it's not that hard. And then you would use this one to clamp around the next guy, and then you can snug them up there. You can either put a big channel locks on here, crescent wrench, you can put that in a vise, whatever you need. And you would just progressively go however many baffles you need to get all the way in. And then let's get one more on here. Get that baffle on. So this is full length. You would tighten these up each individually as you go. Put the end cap on. And then use the plastic included tool to snug it. You can also use a 1/2 inch, ratchet, and that does the same thing, but you're already gonna have these tools here because you're using them for the clamping action there, and you might as well use the one that they gives you. So that is the Q Erector. It's an insanely lightweight can. I like it a lot. I'm not a huge fan of cleaning the aluminum baffles, but it's not very hard to get apart since this is a tubeless design. You don't have to force the baffles out of the tube. They just come apart, and the threads are all sealed against each other, so it shouldn't be very, very difficult to clean, other than it being aluminum.